What's up, YouTube? Coming at you with a sharpness demo, cut test, whatever you want to call it. My buddy, Treba531, sent me his SOG Aegis, along with the incredible gift of the KME knife sharpening system. And what I did was I reset his bevel with the KME, and then I've stropped it. And buddy, I hope you like shiny things, because your blade was really tore up, so I put a mirror finish on it. It'll give it a lot better cutting performance and a little bit less friction, and it just plain looks good. But I'm sure you guys are seeing all that reflection. This side is not quite as mirrored out as the other side, but buddy, there's no friction. And Coop, this one's for you too, buddy. I know you love cutting paper. And guys, I'm not a knife maker or anything, but I definitely enjoy sharpening, and had a lot of fun finishing that blade up as well. Now, I'm sure you guys can see I'm not, it's just pushing right through. Let's get it all the way from the back to the tip. Yeah. Laser. All I wanted was some freaking sharks with freaking lasers on their heads. I'd like to get some little tiny curls for you. But yeah, I think it's sharp now, buddy. When my buddy sent me this knife, it wouldn't really cut through paper at all. I mean, it would, but not cleanly. And the blade itself was stained and pretty well loved and used, and it still is, buddy. But if you hate mirror finishes, you just let me know, brother, and I will put more of a satin finish on there for you. That's no problem. So that's kind of why I wanted to do this vid. I wanted that to be a surprise, but there are definitely some people who just don't like a mirror finish, guys. So let me know what's up. Treba531, my buddy Andy, and I know you like that edge. Everybody loves seeing sharp knives cutting paper on YouTube, and if it can't cut paper, then it has no cutting performance. I hope everybody gets that I'm being a smart ass. It's not a test of cutting performance at all. It's a test of edge sharpness. And this jewel, that was my fault, that little tear. There's a little curl. It's hard to get the little pretty curls.